What's up, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's been an amazing year. This is probably going to be the last upload for the year, so I can't wait to see what 2023 has in store for us. If you're a trader out there, you bumped into my channel, kudos, right? Kudos to you, because that's the same way I bumped into a lot of channels. Like, I mean, it's amazing how a lot of things can change within few weeks or months at most, right? This is me, like, from not knowing anything about trading to now mentoring a lot of people, and having my own circle. Like, this thing is something I just started, like, let me have something that I'm doing, and it just became serious. So I had to let go of every other thing I'm doing and face it, and the results is just amazing. Like, I can't even explain it. So yeah, if you're a trader out there, just don't give up. Like, trust the process, right? Trust the process. Don't think about the outcome a lot. So that was what helped me. All right. I'm going to just talk about the things I'm rounding up the year with. So yeah, let's jump into the chat.
It's all about having a system that works for you, right? Just find something that this is a really big market. Like, the financial market is so big. We have various sections: forex, crypto, synthetic, options, stocks, but there's no way you can trade everything. Okay. Although, yeah, there are people that trade everything right now. I'm actually delving into synthetic, but anyone I delve into, I just pick one. Like, when I started trading crypto, it's only one crypto pair that I trade, which is Bitcoin. Okay. Then for synthetic, I said, looking at VIX 50S, that's the only thing I look at when it comes to that side. Then for stocks is the index, right? So US 30 or NAS 100. So yeah, just depending on what you can do, right? Because the why I did it like that is I know that I can be able to manage all these, right? And it's not as if I trade them all the same time. Like, I trade the ones with the most probable and be high probable setup. So yeah, find a system that works for you. Stick to your plan. Have a plan before you enter the market. You need to have a plan, right? I know it's really easy. It sounds so easy. Easier said than done, yes. But at the end of the day, like, you're responsible for whatever decision you end up taking. So yeah, so that's it. I mean, anybody can learn these technicals. It's really easy. Like, all this double top, double bottom. What's there? I learned everything. I learned all these patterns, everything. I learned it within 1 month or so. 1 month, it was even too much. Before then, I had already started applying everything I learned on demo, and I was winning, killing it back to back till I funded my life account with real money. That's where the madness started. I had to start doubting myself. Like, I started to question my sanity at some point, because I mean, I did everything on demo, it worked. So why am I now losing on life? So yeah, all the profitable traders I know, they pass through that stage. Okay. So you just have a system. Make sure you have a system that works for you. And then I realized that my problem on the life account was emotions, right? Because it's real money. Once I take a trade and I'm seeing red already, like, I'm restless. And that red is probably, I didn't even know, sometimes those red colors, they're probably like 20% of my equity. So by the time I started to position well, right? And I would say, for this trade, okay, for this particular trade, I don't want to lose more than $100. And then I know that maybe $100 is like 2% of my account. I mean, I'm not going to feel anything, right? So just know, before you enter any trade, know what you will think about, what you want to lose first. Don't think about what you want to get. Think about what you want to lose first, and be sure that you're comfortable with it. Okay. Then take the trade, place your stops, and just leave the rest. Then yeah, of course, manage it. So yeah, that's it. as this year is rounding up, the only thing I'm going to be looking at is Bitcoin, right? In case I get a sell confirmation, I'm still looking for more downsides. Although we have a rally, we recently had a rally, but you know, for a market that is in a downtrend, every rally is a short. Yeah, we short every rally. So right now we are rallying. So let me see. I need a confirmation to go short, and I'm trying to short from this structure to this one. Okay, that's like 7,000 pips. Okay, let me see weekly time frame. So this is where we currently heading to, right? We're heading to this guy. Okay, let me see the daily time frame. If I adjust this on daily time frame, this is the structure we're heading to from weekly. On daily time frame, we just broke out of this one. All right, we broke out of this one, and market is currently trading below it. So I don't know if this current candle is going to close back inside here. All right, and if that happens with this guy, this is gravestone doji. All right, if you know your candlestick pattern, you know that this is a bearish price action on smaller time frame. So yeah, this is probably a head and shoulder or something on smaller time frame. So I don't know how this candle is going to close, but I don't want to get involved now because it's still rallying, right? This is still a rally, and if you look at it well on the 4-hour time frame, let me see. Yeah, on 4-hour time frame, it's still a rally. Okay, this is a trend. This is the trend. I can see the trend already. Safe from here. Yeah, that's it. So this is what I'll be waiting for to break. Okay, once the market successfully break out of this trend, then I can get involved. See that head and shoulder I'm talking about. Let me go to the 1-hour time frame and see. Yeah. So this is a reversal chart pattern that just happened on 1-hour time frame. But you know, when the market is in an uptrend and you see head and shoulder, it does not mean that okay, it's ready to sell, right? You might end up selling it, but then market might start buying, and then it will now occur to you that it's in an uptrend, right? It's an uptrend on 1 hour, clearly an uptrend on 1 hour. So yeah, and this is just a counter trend until this structure, like market starts to close below this one or this one. Yeah, so that's it for Bitcoin. For gold, let me see. Gold, let me start with the monthly time frame. Clearly an uptrend on monthly time frame, and but market broke out of this structure. Okay, all these ones, let me just draw it as a trend. That was a trend right here. You know, it does not matter how you mark out your areas of value, right? I mean, I remember when I started, the only thing I used to focus on was just the major zones. Like I might just map out something like this and say, okay, this is a major resistance, this is a major support, you know, that's it. But recently I've been dealing with trends. Once I spot a trend, I like to draw the trend line, you know. So yeah, this was a trend that broke out on monthly time frame. And if market can successfully close back into that trend, then yeah. And then this monthly candle, let's see. Oh wow. Okay. If at all I want to get involved with gold, I'll be looking for sales, right? Because I already saw something that happened on monthly that I have seen before, right? I have seen that thing before, and market ended up selling for like the next two months or something. So let me see weekly time frame. Okay, this was the trend that broke out on weekly time frame, and we have this resistance. Market is finding difficult to break out of it. Daily time frame. Market is clearly in a downtrend on daily time frame, but we have a counter trend right here. Okay. but none of the major supports on this counter trend has been successfully attacked. That's for daily. Now, this counter trend on daily, this is what it looks like on 4 hour. Clearly an uptrend on 4 hour. So on 4 hours time frame, it's clearly an uptrend. And if I map out the trend, if I flog this trend, we have this. Ooh, market broke out of this trend already. Okay, market broke out of this trend already. Yeah, so like I said, if I'm going to get involved with gold, I'll be looking for sales, right? Because number one, the risk to reward, God. Number one, the risk to reward is really, 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 really attractive. Okay, that's the only thing that's making me look at sales. Okay, let me see 1 hour time frame and see what's going on there. Yeah, our trending move, we have 2 trending moves already on the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, if at all I want to get involved, right, I'm going to short, this thing that is rallying, right, probably somewhere here with, you know, appropriate stops, position properly, So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I don't know when that's going to happen, but like I said, I'm rounding off my trading activities for the year. So if I end up seeing the setup before, yeah, but although volatility is going to definitely die down, like this week is the last hot week for this year. All right, we had CPI, we had FOMC, the Fed rate decision. Yeah, so after this week, there's nothing else. Let me check and see. Oh, this is my synthetic, guys. Recently dabbled into that as well, but anyone I dabble into, I'll just pick just one. All right, only one. There's no way you can trade everything. So let's see for this week. Yeah, like I said, this is the hottest week for this month. And after this week, let me see next week. Yeah, Friday, call PC, what's okay. Then the last week, yeah, nothing. So yeah, probably next week, if this happens, then I'll just lock it and call it a year. So yeah, that's it. That's what I'm looking at for gold. And for cross, I picked only one cross pair. Actually, I think I'm going to adjust let me just refine my list here now. So I'm going to remove this. This is, I think this is pound yen or something. This is AU. This is euro yen, right? Okay, this is AU, pound, dollar. Okay, dollar card. UJ, yes, I like UJ. Bitcoin, US 30, NAS 100. These ones, I'm not going to be trading them the same time. I have not really made up my mind. I have to stick to one, sha. But sometimes I'll see a very good setup on this one, then this one is not ready. So that's why I'll just leave both of them. But then I won't be trading the both of them. Just anytime I want to trade, I'll trade the one with the high, like the most probable setup. What's this? Okay, Euro USD. So my measures here, Euro USD, dollar yen, pound dollar. Which one will I delete? All right. I think I'll delete pound dollar. Yeah, I think this is better now, right? This is better. I can never stop trading gold because like gold was what gave me my breakthrough, right? Is although it gave me tough time, like I lost a lot trading it, but then eventually, you know, I just knew how the instrument moves and you know started to like it a lot. So yeah. For dollar yen, I actually have a trade open like yesterday after the Fed meeting, right? sounded really hawkish, so I locked this trade. And if dollar bulls are back, then this trade might go as high as like 2,000 pips or something. All right, so my first target is this swing high. Okay, so yeah, I just locked. I already managed the trade, and I'm just going to leave it to run. But yeah, on the monthly time frame, you can see it's clearly an uptrend. On the weekly time frame, an uptrend, okay, and came to this support. So market is reacting to this support. So if this support is going to hold, then I expect it to break out of this resistance and keep going up. But then if this resistance get problem, then yeah, that's resistance on daily time frame. If market fails to break out of this one, that means we might get another leg down, right? So yeah, that's just the market for you. Like, you just have to adjust, right? Adjust accordingly, trade what you see. Yeah, that's why they say trade what you see. You might see a market that is in a downtrend, and it does not mean that you will start selling, right? Maybe you see a market that is in a downtrend and you're seeing double bottom and the market is breaking structures to the upside, retracing. You have to wait for it to finish pulling back or doing what it's doing. You get? So if you're trying to sell, always trade what you see. Now that I bought this thing, okay, I bought it because I saw that market was clearly in an uptrend, but we came to this support and we started reacting to this support. And the news that came out yesterday supported the market structure as well. Okay, I used that as confluence, and then you can see what happened. We had this bullish engulfing, market came down. Now we have this higher low. Okay, this is higher low to this. I don't know how this candle is going to close, but you can see it's very, very bullish. Okay, and if it ends up closing bullish on top of this guy, right, this is a bullish price action. So yeah, I'm expecting to move at least up to this place before anything can happen. If we're going down again, at least let's move to this place. Okay, like this is like 400 pip. So that's it. So in summary, for Bitcoin, more downside. Once I get my confirmation, I get involved. UJ already got involved. Trade moving well. Cardian. Oh, I've not talked about Cardian, right? So Cardian is also an uptrend on the higher time frame. Okay, and you can see it's as if the same thing that happened on UJ wants to happen here. All right, market came to this support and in don't they fear, right? Bulls, it's like bulls are back. So on the daily time frame, this is what it looks like on the daily time frame. It's like a range, right? And this daily candle, this one has not closed yet. So yeah, this one has not closed. Okay, so 4-hour time frame, you can see it's also a range on 4-hour time frame. Oh, I already mapped it out safe. Yeah, it's also a range on 4-hour time frame. So I want to get involved when market successfully break bullishly on top of this range. Okay, let me go to the 1-hour time frame and see what is happening there. There's a minor structure that just formed on 1-hour time frame. Okay, I don't know when this thing is going to happen, but yeah, anytime it happens and I am lucky or fortunate enough to see when it happens, then I'm going to get involved, place my stops appropriately where it's supposed to be, and just let the trade play out. So that's it. Most times I execute on 1-hour time frame because I get my setup from monthly, weekly time frames. Okay, so these are the structures I'm targeting, right? For Cardian, I'm targeting from this place to this recent swing high, which is like almost 1,000 pips. So that's why I'll be executing on the 1-hour time frame at least. So yeah, that would be all. It's crazy. It's really crazy, but yeah, I'm so grateful. Grateful for this opportunity, documenting my journey. I'm excited. Can't wait to see what 2023 has in store for us. And if you're a trader out there, you're watching this, I want you to know that you're going to make it, right? Keep trusting the process and you're going to get there. It's an amazing journey. Like if you know what you're doing, right? If you finally found a system that works for you, it's just an amazing journey. So yeah, enjoy the process once again. Compliments of the season, and I'll see you all next year. Yeah, signing out. Woo.